Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to test your knowledge with 100 trivia questions, but the interesting thing is we don't have multiple choice. Let's see how much you can score. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Yeah, it's lion. What is the most spoken language in the world? Of course, English. What is the national flower of Japan? It's cherry blossom. What color are bananas when they are ripe? Yes, they're yellow. Which city is famous for its Colosseum? Rome is correct. What is the tallest building in the world? It's Burj Khalifa. Who wrote The Adventures of Tom Sawyer? Mark Twain wrote it. What is the square root of 25? That's 5. What is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere? It's nitrogen. Which country hosted the first modern Olympic Games? It was Greece. How many wonders of the world are there? 7 wonders. What is the hardest substance in the human body? It's tooth enamel. What is the name of the fairy in Peter Pan? Tinker Bell. What is the largest organ in the human body? Skin is the largest. What is the fastest bird in the world? It's peregrine falcon. How many continents start with the letter A? There are 4. Which organ in the human body is responsible for pumping blood? Correct, it's heart. Who was the first president of United States? George Washington. Which animal is known as man's best friend? Yeah, it's dog. What is the most consumed drink in the world? Of course, water. How many grams are in a pound? 453.59 grams. What is the capital of Egypt? It's Cairo. What color is a spire? Correct, it's blue. What is the tallest waterfall in the world? That is Angel Fall. How many grams are in a kilogram? There are 1,000 grams. What is the name of the first man-made satellite to orbit Earth? It was Sputnik 1. Which part of the eye controls how much light enters? That's iris. Which country is known as the Fire and Ice? Yeah, it's Iceland. Which continent has the most countries? Africa has most. What is the tallest organ in the human body? Correct. It's liver. Which ocean is the warmest? Indian Ocean. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Gold is AU. What is the capital of Spain? It's Madrid. How many bones are in human body? 206 bones. Which bird can mimic human speech? Yeah, it's parrot. In which continent Sahara Desert is located? Africa is right. Which country is home to the Great Barrier Reef? It's Australia. What is the boiling point of water in Celsius? 100 degrees Celsius. What is the capital of Italy? That would be Rome. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Correct, it's Mars. What is the longest river in the world? Nile is longest. Which animal is known for its largest tusks? Yep, it's elephant. Which country has maple leaf on its flag? Of course, Canada. Which mountain is tallest in the world? Mount Everest. Which country is famous for its Taj Mahal? It's India. Who is the author of the Harry Potter series? J.K. Rowling. Which planet is third from the Sun? Earth is third. Which organ do humans use to breathe? Correct, it's lungs. Which instrument has black and white keys? Piano is right. What is the capital of Germany? It's Berlin. Who painted The Last Supper? Leonardo da Vinci. Which animal is known for changing its color? It's chameleon. Which gas does plants absorb from the atmosphere? Carbon dioxide. Which organ is responsible for producing insulin? Pancreas. Which fruit is known for its high vitamin C content? Of course, orange. How many oceans are there in the world? 5 oceans. Which sea is the saltiest? It's Dead Sea. Which city is known as the Big Apple? New York City. What is the currency of Japan? Correct, it's yen. How much you guessed right, tell me in the comment, and subscribe for more fun quizzes.